The KiShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF, ticker symbol TLT, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of long-term U.S. Treasury bonds. These bonds have maturities of 20 years or more, and are issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury to finance the federal government's borrowing needs. Investing in long-term Treasury bonds can be a way for investors to diversify their portfolios and potentially generate income through regular interest payments. However, these bonds also carry risks, including the possibility of rising interest rates, which can decrease the value of the bonds. TLT was launched in 2002 and is managed by BlackRock, one of the largest investment management firms in the world. The fund holds a diverse portfolio of long-term Treasury bonds, which helps to reduce the risk of investing in a single bond. As of 2021, the fund had assets under management of over $9 billion. TLT is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and its price is determined by the value of the underlying bonds in its portfolio. Investors can buy and sell TLT shares just like any other stock, and the fund provides a way for investors to gain exposure to the long-term Treasury bond market without having to buy individual bonds. One potential benefit of investing in TLT is the potential for steady income through regular interest payments. Long-term Treasury bonds generally pay a fixed rate of interest, which can provide a reliable source of income for investors. The fund also has a low expense ratio, which means that it charges relatively low fees to investors compared to other funds. However, there are also risks associated with investing in TLT. Interest rates play a significant role in the performance of long-term Treasury bonds, and if interest rates rise, the value of the bonds in TLT's portfolio may decrease. Additionally, the value of TLT's shares may fluctuate based on market conditions and investor sentiment. Overall, TLT can be a useful tool for investors looking to add long-term Treasury bonds to their portfolios. However, it is important for investors to carefully consider their investment objectives and risk tolerance before deciding whether TLT is right for them. As with any investment, it is essential to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making a decision.